What's wrong with canned food? The new year is a time for making all sorts of salads. Often, individuals utilize canned components in the preparation of holiday dishes, including items like canned peas, fish, beans, corn, pineapples, and a variety of others. It is essential to realize that canned products can be very harmful to our health. They contribute to health issues and premature aging due to their high content of trans fats, mercury, sugar, salt, or for example, such as botulinum toxin, one of the strongest poisons leading to serious nerve damage and paralysis, breathing issues, and high death rates. In conclusion, prefer raw plant-based foods, ideally fruits, and you will always be healthy. I'll subscribe soon.